Now we're back to do part 2, just a few more examples that we need to get through. Before we try and do this next problem, I need you to remember the value of each type of coin. Remember, pennies are 1 cent, nickels are 5 cents, dimes are 10 cents, and quarters are 25 cents. We need to use that information in this next set of problems. It tells you that a collection of dimes and quarters is worth $15.25. There are 103 coins in all. How many of each is there? So at first glance, it looks like there are only two different numbers here, but we're going to have to remember how much dimes and quarters are worth, and we're going to use that in the system. First, though, we need to answer what variables are we going to use and what will they represent? The question is how many of each is there? So they're talking about those two different kinds of coins. X is the number of dimes, which means that we're going to say Y is the number of quarters. When you write the equations, I want you to think about how much a dime is worth. A dime is worth 10 cents, right? And a quarter is worth 25 cents. So now we have 1, 2, 3 money numbers to use in this problem, just like we did in that last problem. Dimes are 10 cents each, and quarters are 25 cents each, which gives us a total value of $15.25. In the second equation, we just need to add those two types together. There's 103 coins in all, which means that X and Y together are 103. And then we need to solve that in Desmos. There's our intersection right there, 70 and 33. That means that there were 70 dimes and 33 quarters in the collection. And that's the answer for that problem. The next one, it's time for you to try. It gives you a total number of coins, tells you how much the coins are worth, and the two different types of coins. So that's going to be important. You need to remember how much those are worth when you write your equations. Pause the video while you work on it, then come back and check your answers. Hopefully that is the same answer that you got. Next problem. This is a different type of example, so I need you to just come back to me and help you figure it out. It tells you that the difference of two numbers is 3 and their sum is 13. We're supposed to find the numbers. Find the numbers tells us our variables. Tells us what we don't know. There are two numbers. Their difference is 3 and their sum is 13. So X is the first number and Y is the second number. When you write your equations, these equations are going to be real simple. It says the difference of two numbers is 3. Remember that difference means subtract? So when you subtract the two numbers, x minus y, you get 3. Then it tells you that their sum is 13. Remember, sum means adding. So when you add the two numbers, you get 13. And that's your whole system. It's time to type that in Desmos and solve it. X minus y equals 3 and x plus y equals 13, which gives us 8 and 5. So the first number is 8 and the second number is 5. I want you to go ahead and try to do that next one. Number 9 says it's time for you to try. Come back here, pause the video, come back here to check your answers. And that's it. If you have any questions over the examples that I did in these notes, your answers didn't match mine, you still don't get it, you need some more examples, some more help from me, please let me know. Otherwise, try to do those problems in the quiz document that I attached and then submit them to me. Thank you.